Allie here from bakingamoment.com. Here at my house, we're in back to school mode. And for me, that means making sure that there are plenty of delicious, filling breakfasts for my kids in the morning. I want to send them off to school with smiles on their faces and feeling nourished and full until lunchtime. Bonus points if it's something I can make in a big batch ahead of time so that they can wake up in the morning, grab something good to eat, and be off on their way quickly and easily. One of my favorite things is homemade granola, and I'm a total peanut butter addict, so peanut butter granola is just taking it to the next level. Now you may hear this and say, homemade granola? Why do I need to make homemade granola? It's so easy to buy. But I have to tell you, making it yourself is so simple and economical, and the flavor and texture are on a completely different level. It comes out so light and crisp and crunchy, and you can customize it however you like. I love to make a big batch and store it in an airtight container. It keeps for several weeks at room temperature. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven and line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. Then give it a good misting of nonstick spray. Granola can be notoriously sticky. Next, you're gonna get a big mixing bowl, and to that, you're gonna add oats, chopped peanuts, brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and some salt. Just mix all these ingredients up a little bit just to get them combined. You're going to want to melt some butter. I like to do this in a really big liquid measuring cup. To the melted butter, add peanut butter, honey, and egg whites. Egg whites are going to help to form this granola into big, craggly clusters. Pour this liquid mixture into the oat mixture. Stir everything up until it's all evenly coated. Then tip the mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. And spread it out into a nice even layer so everything can crisp up at the same time. Bake the peanut butter granola in the oven until it's starting to turn golden brown and toasty looking. It might not feel really crispy crunchy at first, but it will crisp up a lot as it cools down. Allow it to cool completely on the baking sheet. And then you can break up the clusters into bite-sized pieces. Once it's completely cool, you can transfer it into a big airtight jar. I'll link to one in the description below. Here you can keep it at room temperature for several weeks. I like to eat my peanut butter granola just with a splash of milk, like cereal with a spoon, but my son loves to top it with Greek yogurt and a little drizzle of honey. It's also really good in a yogurt parfait. Layer it with Greek yogurt or vanilla yogurt and strawberry jam, and it's a lot like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but better. I think you're really gonna love this peanut butter granola recipe. If you enjoyed this video, it really helps me out a ton if you just click the like button. And if you're someone who loves watching food videos like me, then maybe think about hitting subscribe so you can be notified every time I come out with something new. Enjoy!